Every year, the world consumes approximately 4.2 million tons with this massive demand. Join us as we explore the production process at the Colgate Toothpaste factory. You might be surprised to learn that making toothpaste requires a significant amount of rock. But how do they transform these hard minerals into a smooth, minty fresh mixture? And what's the secret behind those signature stripes in toothpaste? Let's dive into the fascinating process behind one of the most popular oral care products in the world. Toothpaste is made up of abrasives that help remove plaque and clean teeth, leaving them bright and healthy. One of the first things we do after waking up is brush our teeth to freshen our breath. It's hard to imagine a morning without toothpaste, a product that not only eliminates bad breath, but also improves oral hygiene, like gums. Colgate-Palmolive, one of the world's leading oral care brands, has a history spanning over 200 years. Founded in 1806 in the United States by William Colgate, a British immigrant and businessman, the company was originally named William Colgate and Company and specialized in the production and sale of soap, candles, and starch. By 1873, Colgate began producing toothpaste, which was initially packaged in glass jars. However, a major breakthrough came in 1896, when Colgate became the first manufacturer to introduce toothpaste in a tube, and it's more convenient and hygienic to use. Today, Colgate products are available in more than 230 countries, making it the world's #1 oral care brand. With continuous advancements in technology, Colgate remains committed to improving oral health for millions of people worldwide. The production of toothpaste is a fascinating combination of chemical and mechanical technology, creating the essential oral care product we use every day. It all begins with the blending of abrasives like rock, usual, but play a crucial role in removing plaque and cleaning teeth. At manufacturing facilities, particularly the Colgate factory on the outskirts of London, this process takes place on an industrial scale, starting early in the morning and running throughout the day. Every day, the factory produces up to 1 million tubes of toothpaste, including fluoride-containing varieties, an essential ingredient that helps protect teeth from cavities. A unique feature of this factory is its dedicated well system, which extracts groundwater from a depth of 120 meters. This water undergoes a strict filtration process to remove dissolved salts and impurities, ensuring the highest quality standards. Large trucks carrying toothpaste ingredients from all over the world arrive at the factory, where hundreds of essential components are received and stored for the production process. This facility serves as a key hub for raw materials sourced globally, ensuring consistency and quality in every tube of toothpaste we use daily. The basic composition of toothpaste includes abrasives like round silica particles to clean teeth, base ingredients such as sorbitol and xanthan gum for texture, and serve evenly. Additionally, preservatives and active ingredients like essential oils and herbal extracts, which contribute to the refreshing sensations unique to each product. The raw material storage system is equipped with advanced microclimate control technology to maintain optimal temperature and humidity levels. It features 2 distinct temperature zones to preserve sensitive ingredients. Here, materials are stored in large containers, ready for preliminary processing. They are then fed into the mixing system, where precise formulations are created to ensure the highest accuracy in producing different types of toothpaste. The toothpaste production process begins with unloading raw material bags, and within just formed into the final product. Water serves as the primary solvent, dissolving and blending the ingredients together. Additionally, toothpaste formulas include a variety of other components: flavoring agents for a pleasant taste, coloring agents for visual appeal, foaming agents to distribute the paste effectively, binding agents to maintain consistency, pH adjusters, humectants to prevent drying, and preservatives to extend shelf names. All these compounds work toward a common goal: protecting oral health by preventing cavities and providing a fresh, clean sensation. During the mixing stage, technicians use pumps to introduce flavoring agents into a stainless steel tank. A small amount of flavoring is enough to infuse fragrance into 4 tons of toothpaste. Measuring these ingredients is a precise task, as some are used in quantities of several tons, while others are measured in mere pounds. To ensure absolute accuracy and consistency, the advanced mixing system is fully automated, eliminating human error in the production process. The toothpaste mixing process takes place in reaction tanks, grade standards, and are equipped with advanced heating and cooling systems. Inside these tanks, adjustable speed agitator blades rotate at different speeds depending on the type and structure of the mixture. The heating process is carried out using steam, while cooling is achieved with chilled water maintained at 44 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, sourced from the factory's cooling water station. Every operational parameter is marked for each product and piece of equipment, ensuring consistent quality in the semi-finished product. These machines do more than just break down raw materials. They mix them with absolute precision. A gel component is added to help the mixture achieve uniformity, resulting in a smooth texture. At the core of the mixing process are massive agitator blades that spin at speeds of up to 2,500 revolutions per minute, equivalent to the force of a car moving at 20 miles per hour. The heating of toothpaste does not involve boiling. Instead, the process lasts several hours and primarily uses steam heating at specific stages rather than applying heat. Rather than involving a complex chemical reaction, toothpaste heating is actually a sophisticated physical process. It follows a predetermined sequence of ingredient mixing to ensure the final blend achieves the desired consistency, viscosity, and aroma. Additionally, this process helps eliminate excess air, creating a smooth, uniform suspension. Inside the tanks, the mixture develops a paste-like texture. Once all ingredients are fully combined, the mixture undergoes preliminary homogenization. Simply put, this step involves thoroughly blending certain key ingredients, such as flavoring agents, essential oils, and active compounds, before they enter the main cooking phase. Depending on the formula and quantity of ingredients, mixing and processing methods may vary to guarantee the best product quality. In some cases, ingredient adjustments are made to optimize performance. On average, about 10 components are pre-mixed and introduced into the dispersing unit in controlled stages. When the lid of the reaction tank is opened, the inside looks much like a large bowl of cake frosting, with a smooth and creamy texture. Walls or mixing blades, specialized tools are used to scrape the mixture clean. Once the toothpaste reaches the desired consistency, the next stage of the process begins. One of the most crucial steps at this stage is the degassing process, which is carried out using an integrated vacuum system within the reaction tank. This system removes any remaining air bubbles from the toothpaste, an essential step since oxygen in the mixture can create a favorable environment for microbial growth. Additionally, eliminating air results in a smoother, more uniform texture. Degassing process, the toothpaste mixture undergoes noticeable changes. Under vacuum pressure, the paste rises as if it is boiling, while its consistency gradually thickens into a gel-like form. A sample of the toothpaste is sent to the factory's laboratory for quality testing. This is a critical step to ensure the product meets all standards for consistency, texture, flavor, and chemical composition before moving on to the next phase. If the sample passes all rigorous tests, the process of pumping the toothpaste from the reaction tanks acts as intermediate storage, maintaining a steady supply for the packaging line and minimizing production interruptions. After completing the refining process, the toothpaste moves through a complex network of pipes before reaching the pressure chamber, where it is ready to be packaged into tubes. However, there is still one crucial step left: creating the signature stripes. This is when color is added to finalize the product. Although the colored stripes do not contain active ingredients, they play a key role in giving the process. Challenge is adding the color without it blending into the white toothpaste. To achieve this, the processed toothpaste is routed through a system of pipes running beneath the factory floor, where it is separated into large tanks based on color codes. Here, familiar shades like blue or red are carefully introduced. While the artificial red and blue colors may appear quite vibrant during production, they are completely safe for consumers. When combined with the base toothpaste mixture, the colors soften and naturally create the striped effect as the toothpaste is squeezed from the tube. The final stripes are created without blending together. This is achieved through a special distribution system that ensures each color is dispensed precisely in place without mixing. Before the toothpaste is filled, empty tubes are placed onto the production line and automatically flipped upside down, ready for the filling process. Here, high-speed machines pump toothpaste into the tubes at an impressive rate, ensuring that each one contains the familiar 3 colors: white, blue, and red. To better visualize the process, the toothpaste is dispensed through be accurately placed without the need for physical dividers. Thanks to the toothpaste's viscosity, the colors maintain their shape and remain separate. Robotic arms then flip the filled tubes back into the correct orientation before they move along the conveyor belt like train cars on a track. The high-efficiency filling system can process up to 180 tubes per minute with absolute precision, each tube containing exactly 100 grams of toothpaste. Once filled, the tubes are sealed tightly to ensure freshness and prevent contamination from the external environment. Before leaving the quality testing to ensure that every batch meets strict standards. After the tubes are filled, sealed, and labeled, they continue moving along the conveyor belt in groups of 15. An automated rotation system ensures that the branding on each tube is perfectly aligned, a crucial step to prevent errors during the sealing process. Once production is complete, the toothpaste tubes are packed into boxes, ready for shipment to stores. Each box contains 24 tubes and undergoes a weight check to ensure no shortages. Weight, it is immediately discarded. Only approved boxes are sealed and shipped, ready to reach consumers